Hey everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Where Is My Mind by the Pixies. This is off of the Surfer Rosa record. And before we get started, remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week, and here we go. Alright, so the first part, the rhythm guitar is going to be on an acoustic guitar. I don't have an acoustic guitar with me, but I'll just play it on the electric. And you're going to play E, then C sharp, minor, then G sharp, then A. So if you're not familiar with minor chords, they give you like a really cool tone. So if you're going to play a regular C sharp chord, you could play it like a power chord. And then instead of playing on the sixth fret of the B string, you're going to just drop down to the 5th fret of the B string, and it's the same kind of format as a major chord. Just drop down one string with your root on the A. So here's a regular C sharp, and here's a C sharp minor. So it gives it kind of a cool sound. So here's the rhythm that the rhythm guitar is going to play. And so it's pretty straightforward. And then the lead guitar is going to play this really cool sounding notey thing. And the only kind of tricky part is that slide is a little quick, but it's not too bad. I like to use my middle finger, and you're going to do what's called droning, which is another cool technique that they use, where you're going to play on the 5th fret and then open on the E string. So 5th fret on the B string, open on the E string. And those are two of the same notes, and it sounds kind of cool together. And then you're going to slide. So the whole thing again. And yeah, that has a really cool sound, and you can just keep practicing it. It's pretty easy to play along with the record, and yeah, it sounds really cool. And then we're gonna go to, I guess, the verse and the chorus are pretty much the same part, but then when you get to the end of the chorus, there's like this bridge. And the lead guitar is going to play the root notes of the chords, so an open E. When we get to the bridge, it's more power chords. There's that C sharp minor chord again, and then it goes to the B. So once again. And then after that part, it goes into the lead, which is actually on the record. It's the lead's doubled, but it's not played exactly the same by both parts. So you can kind of improvise a little bit on it. But you're going to do a bend with your index finger at the 7th fret of the B string and your ring finger on the 9th fret of the G string. And then it kind of goes like this. Now again, it's doubled, so it's hard to hear exactly which guitar is playing which part, and they're both kind of played a little differently, but similar. So here it is again, slowly. And you can kind of improvise a little bit. You can play it, as long as you're kind of playing along that framework, it sounds pretty right with the doubled notes. So you can just mess around with it, and you can start off with those bends. It's in the B. It's in a B scale. It's pretty much the minor pentatonic, and he uses two positions: the regular B along the 7th fret, and then just slides up to the next position. So yeah, just mess around with it, and you can play it in different ways. And again, note that doubling technique, which sounds really cool. So that's it for this lesson. I hope you liked learning how to play that song. There's some cool like techniques like the droning and using like the kind of notey. Remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll see you guys next time.